in this world has a source from which they have come. Now, the source from which you have come is key, in the sense that it determines who you are and what you are capable of becoming, by reason, beloved, of your being born again, being born of God. You got sealed with the Holy Spirit as proof of He being your source. The day you gave your life to Christ, your source changed, and your source now becomes the Holy Spirit. Who your source is, who your Father is, determines how you do the things and at what level. It's the circles within which you are able to operate in life, as well as the doors you can knock and expect to be opened unto you. If you're a child of God, your source is the Holy Spirit. I repeat. Now, that means something. What that means is that every satanic agenda to monitor and frustrate your life is doomed to fail.